Hello and welcome back to Crafting with Amy. I'm Amy, and today we're going to be doing a couple of different Dollar Tree signs. I have this mason jar sign that I got back in the fall, and that is a printout that Holly from Hot Humble Pie had linked in one of her videos. I just love her. She's awesome. I wish I had a tenth of her talent. But I'm going to take this sandpaper and get rid of that glitter so I can glue that lavender. And I'm just kind of marking with my fingers where that needs to be cut. And then I trace it up there. I was working on a flower wreath for the video, and I ended up not having enough of the poly burlap. I cut it all out, started putting it on the frame. I was recording it, and I ended up not having enough, so I apologize for that. Because I think I do better with wreaths and stuff like that than I do this type of stuff. And now I'm just going to take this and use my glue stick I like lavender. I think it's pretty. I got this glue stick from Dollar Tree, and it's lasted me really well. It's a big one, but and like I said, that's a mason jar sign from Dollar Tree that I got last year. So this is going to be a short video because I wasted all that time doing the wreath and then didn't have enough. Now I'm just taking some of the Waverly, I think that's Waverly antique wax, to kind of give it a vintage look. And this is probably, I wouldn't have done this. I put lavender to the back. I just glued it to the back, but it's a little too short. But I go ahead and I put it to the back with some of the boxwood. I basically just made it into another sign, and then I added a hanger out of jute. I thought on the wreath, since I was doing a smaller wreath frame, that it would possibly work, or be enough. I should have left it about that length, but no, I cut it down, and then that is the finished product. The flowers are just too small in my opinion. And DIY number 2 is just a metal sign that I paint, and I put this print out, and I have white chalk paint. I use the hair dryer to dry it, and I'm out of frame. I'm sorry. I don't have a heat gun, so I used a hair dryer to dry it. And I think I ended up putting about 3 coats, mainly just on the outer part. And now I'm just taking the glue stick and applying it to the back of this printout that also came from Holly over at Hot Humble Pie. And I'm out of frame. And since I'm having trouble uploading, I have to make these short. Now I'm just going to take some black paint and just distress it. And I'm so completely out of frame. I think I realize it here in a minute. And then I just take some jute twine and make another hanger where there were already hose there, and tie some knots on the back, cut off the excess. And I thank you all for watching. If you're new here, I hope you'll consider subscribing and leaving me a comment. And if you're a returning subscriber, I appreciate you, and you all have a good weekend. Thank you for watching.